Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You've signed in and filled your cart. Now confirm the items and payment methods so nothing blocks checkout. Once done, open your cart and review each item. Quantities, sizes, and chosen sellers matter for coupon applicability. Next, find the promo code you'll use: site-wide coupon, seller coupon, or a copy-paste code from a promotion. Make sure the coupon terms match your items and minimum spend, otherwise the code won't apply. Keep the code copied to clipboard for quick entry at checkout. When you proceed to checkout, select the correct shipping address and delivery option first because shipping can change eligibility for some coupons. In the order summary area, look for coupon selectors and a separate promo code input. Coupons often appear above or below the total. You should click to claim any available Aliexpress or seller coupons before pasting your promo code. After claiming, paste the code into the promo field and tap Apply. Watch the total recalc to confirm savings. You're at the finish line. Confirm the new discounted total, chosen payment method, and final shipping cost before you hit Pay. Once paid, save the order number and take a screenshot of the confirmation and applied discount for reference. If the promo code fails at this stage, don't panic. First, recheck expiry dates, item exclusions, and minimum spend requirements. Make sure the coupon type matches the items. If all looks correct and it still fails, contact Aliexpress support with your screenshot and order details for a resolution.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.